For the second straight Saturday, Falcons trailed big early on, only to rally for an improbable victory. First it was Kent State, and this past Saturday was Eastern Michigan, the latest to fall victim. Down 19 late in the first half, Falcons defense brought them back in the second to force overtime and a 7-point victory, holding the Eagles to just 3 points in OT. DiMaggio Wiggins recorded his 10th double-double of the season, and he joked he has no problems going down by 19 if it ensures a victory. Michael Huger, not as in favor of that strategy.
I don't like them at all. So I'll tell you that. I'll be the first to tell you that.
I feel like for every comeback win, the takeaway is why couldn't we do it from the start? Why does it take us having to get the first blow instead of dishing out the first blow? So our takeaway is we just have to play each game like our life's on the line, because that's what it is in this league. Anybody can be beat any day. You just have to come out and want to.
I thought what we did on Saturday did prepare us for Ball State. We also didn't have DiMaggio playing in that game, and we go down with a chance to take the lead with 20, 30 seconds left. So I think what we did on Saturday did carry over to what we did at Ball State, and then what we did at Ball State carried over till today.
Now, we mentioned Toledo's currently the 2 seed in the MAC. BG right now is seeded 6. That would mean a first-round home game if the season were to end today. Now, Falcons are at home Tuesday before heading to first-place Buffalo on Friday.